the peace you can't explain. For thousands of years, people have stood on these banks. Some came with hope, some with prayers, some simply searching for peace. Every boat carries a different story. Standing in the middle of the Ganga, Patna looks different. The noise slowly disappears, and the river begins telling its own story. Some rivers take you to a destination. This one takes you somewhere within yourself. Maybe that's why the Ganga isn't remembered for its size. It's remembered for how it makes people feel. Every place has a story. We travel to feel it. Welcome to Vistaloops.